'Cause we'll be on a tablet.
Hello, hello. Today I would like to show you how to start to code without installing anything uh, with Google Colab. So you can do this either on your personal computer, your laptop, or even on your smartphone. Just go to collabresearchgoogle.com and then you can sign in and use your Google account. For the first time, you will be given this for getting started and everything, but I will resume this for you to make it quick. So when you want to start to code without installing anything, you just open Google Colab, sign in with your Google account, and then you go create a new notebook. And then everything will be set up for you by Google. So we are going to use the computation power, the storage, and everything, including the programming language, the compiler and interpreter on the cloud owned by Google. So you can always save your work to your Google Drive here. You can synchronize it here, and then you can do the code here. And like in this example, you can also put your own notes, like you can give titles and you can insert videos, you can put some notes, you can generate results, you can put your files and then connect the collab, your work with your Google Drive. So this is really, really easy. So when you want to start to code with Google Colab, let's say we will do it in Python. So I'm not going to explain about the language now. I'm just going to show you how to start to code without installing anything in Python. So what you need to do is just you type in here like print something, a word, and then you compile it, you play it, you run it, and then you will see the result in here. So there you go. This is your first code. I'm going to show you here too. You can also do it. I'm doing it all the time. So I sometimes need to run some code, or I have some idea in my head that I have to execute. Let me show you that we can also do the Google Colab here. You just type on your browser and you will get it in here. You can open, if you already have your work, your previous work, you can always open the previous work in here, or you want to start like before, you just start a new work. As simple as that. Probably like this will be better. There. Welcome to Colab. I'm going to do, we can do new notebook here, and then we can do the same thing like you're doing with your laptop. Like probably you want to, okay, there you go. Then you just run it and then you got the result. This is really convenient. So you don't have to install anything. You don't have to install Python. You just run it from everywhere. Your code will be safe on the cloud. You will running the code on the cloud. You can access it everywhere. I can do the code even though I'm not bringing my laptop, or probably I forgot my device. I can always use any device and then log into my account and I can do coding everywhere. So this is how you can do coding from anywhere without installing anything. On the next video, I will show you more about Python programming on Google Colab. But this is just showing how to get started really quickly without thinking about what to install, what version and everything, because in Google Colab, they provide you with everything. For example, you can check the version of the Python that we have like this. So we have this version of Python in here, and lots of libraries is also has been installed in this cloud. So you just use it. You don't have to worry about anything. Plus, you can always change, you can set the netbook setting. You can use the type Probably you want to do R or Python. You can also use hardware accelerator just in case you are running a computation with big resource computation. You can use GPU or TPU. Plus, if you need more resource on this Colab, you can always pay more to be able to get more resource. But so far, I'm using this. This is enough, regular programming, and even though you're doing like machine learning or your high computation, it's still okay. It's still really reliable. So that's it. I'm going to make another video more about programming. See you then. Bye.